Hello, Daniel here, and I am bringing you another AutoFlex Connect settings tutorial video. Today I am going to go through a heating group, which I have right here. I will show you how to set up the set points for both a variable heater and a single stage heater. First off, I will do the variable heater. So if we go ahead and click on it and then click the gear icon to go to the settings, we will see our settings here. So our minimum load is basically our idle output, and I'm going to adjust this. I'll have to adjust all of these down because I want my unit to start idling at 58 degrees. So at 58 degrees, it's going to come on 20%. It's going to stay at 20%. I'm going to say, yes, down to 56 degrees. And then I'm going to put that up to 57. So it'll idle for 58 to 57. And then from 57 all the way down to, let's do 54. So between 57 and 54, it'll be ramping up. So ramping up from 20% all the way up to 100% full output at 54 degrees. So that looks good. Let's save those settings and go back. And then we can add in, if that heater isn't enough, we also have this single stage heater. I will go into the settings, and this one, sure, let's kick it on at 64 as well. If it drops all the way down to 64, then this guy is going to come on as well, and then we will have both of those heaters going, and we will warm back up. And it's as simple as that. So that is showing you how to set the set points for both a variable heater and a single stage heater. See you next time.